Hi guys, Arthur here from Homeowner DIY. Guys, this is your quick tip of the week. When it comes to pry bars, you have different types. They come in different lengths, different widths, and they'll have different styles, different types of heads on them. So we're going to start out with a crowbar. This is really a demolition bar. It has a hook here, so if you're going to pull off a wall that it has been tiled, you can use the length of the bar and then use the hook to pull the material off instead of using your hands, because when it comes to demo, you have a lot of things that are sharp and very easily to get injured. Also, this has a very long length, so it's easy to get leverage on the bar. And this bar actually has a slight bend in it from all the years that I was either pulling things apart or demoing things as I had to. This is a flat pry bar. This tool will be for when you want to take something apart and you want to avoid damaging it. If you are going to do roof repair for shingles, you would use this bar because it has a nice wide edge, so you can lift up on your shingles without tearing them. So this here is for nails. This is also for nails. Because this is a wider bar, this will allow you to take things apart without damaging, or you're less likely to damage things. It has the same style hook, and the ends are the same, so you can pull nails here, you can pull nails over here, and then you have a different hole here that I guess you can either hang the bar or you can also use it to pull nails as well. These are two nail bars, sometimes also known as nail pullers. This is the one I keep in my pouch, and I found this once on site somewhere. I don't know why you would want something so small, but for a small space, this will work as well. But for this nail bar, you can see how much I've hammered on it over the years. But you can pull nails out here. You get leverage out of this as well. In wood frame construction, you have a trillion nails everywhere. So this type of bar is good for pulling nails out, and then also to pull blocks off. You can use the head here, or this on this side. You can hammer it down, and then you can just use it as a pry bar. But these are 4 bars that I have. I'm sure there's other styles, other lengths, other designs. It depends on your application. But when it comes to using the bar for your job, it depends on what you're doing. If you're going to be demoing, then if you want to salvage your material, I wouldn't suggest use this bar. Use this one here. If you don't care, if it's just straight demo that everything's going into the trash, use a nice big crowbar. And then for general construction, I will use this nail bar, and then for tight spaces, I'll use this one here. But guys, with that in mind, having the proper tool for the job is going to make your job go smoother, and it's also going to be more cost effective for you in the long run. Guys, that is your quick tip of the week.